Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So guys, looking at this impulse on the 15-minute chart, we were of course today looking for some retracement. We got it, but it is very shallow anyway. So we have already 1, 2, 3, and possibly your wave 3 has bottomed here or topped here, and your wave 4 has bottomed here. I'm gonna explain why even after this price action, because we were looking for an A, a B, and a C, right, as an expanding flat. In this A, B, and a C in your wave B, you want to see 3 waves. It means A, B, and a C. If this is your A and this is your B, that's totally fine. Your wave C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got our wave, additional wave that I spoke about it in the morning, but now it looks truncated, right? It didn't took the high. Therefore, yeah, it might even still take the high, so in a zigzag. However, it doesn't look so, right? So potentially we have something else here, right, guys? Potentially that we have something else where we have bottomed our wave 4. Yeah, as I mentioned, it might be kind of like a trap here. It's very fast and a deep wave 4. And we might have finished a wave 5 as a 5 waves towards the upside where you reach the higher high here. And after this, of course, you want to seek for lower prices as a correction, of course, because these are finished 5 waves. And don't forget that we have hit our targets for a diagonal wave 1. Which is at the 0.618, of course, for your diagonal 1 here, where we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If that is your wave 5 and it has been finished, so you might, of course, look for a retracement, possibly after, of course, this finished diagonal. Now, of course, this can be an impulse here, and to see the healthiness of this diagonal, this can be definitely an impulse, as we counted before as for 1, 2. So it can be an impulse for a diagonal. We can see another impulse here and also another impulse there. So basically, yeah, the price action is very shaky now, and as I said, on the 1-hour chart and the 15-minute chart, it is a much more even confusing to look at it and to count it, because of course of this price action that happened here, it has created a mess, of course. However, the only possible scenario now is that we have finished a 5 wave towards the upside. It could be that we also still in A, B, and a C, but your wave B still need 1 more wave towards the upside. I mean, we need to take the high, okay? We still need to take the high to count a nice wave C, of course, for an A, B here. And by all means, this will be your wave B, and this is your wave A. And then we are looking, of course, for an impulse towards the downside with a wave C. So in that case, of course, you want to see a little bit higher prices to take, of course, the high again. And of course, in the morning, we spoke about this and we said, okay, we might take those fibs again, and this is still very possible, right? As we can see here, we can see, of course, another downtrend as a zigzag, because if we are considering our diagonal as zigzags, so that would work perfectly. So you still want to see 1 wave towards the upside as a zigzag to hit, of course, those fib levels, and then, of course, move down. If we move down from here and we don't take the high again, right? If we don't take the high, that means we have finished 5 waves already towards the upside after bottoming for the wave 4, which is kind of a trap here, of course, where we have bottomed very, very fast for the wave 4 and very deep as well, hitting the 0.5 fib level, which is already the maximum, that a wave 4 can have, right? So yeah, basically to be watched. I am out, of course. It's not really wise to enter any trade, because it can be, of course, up and then move down directly, or it can move down directly from here, because yeah, we have finished 5 waves. We have finished our wave 5, which has finished a bigger diagonal towards the upside, and we have hit our fib levels here as we mentioned on the daily. Therefore, we might start to see some retracement. It might not be a very, very deep retracement. However, this can be important. Wave towards the downside, like reaching at least 4 or 5% towards the downside. So what we are looking for after this, in case we are a 1112 here, guys, we are looking, of course, for some retracement, which is at least at 64,750. So yeah, by all means, that's why I'm saying be careful, because yeah, you have almost like 4.5% that it might go down from here, and of course, even if we go higher a little bit, it might even go down again. So this is the thing. So this is only the fib level for a 38. This is the minimum requirement. Don't forget that it can go even lower. This is your minimum target, and don't forget even that it can go even much lower than all these fibs. By all means, this can be now your wave 1, and then 2, it can dive even deeper. However, let us of course pass and check these fibs first, and to see if we gonna retrace from it impulsively again, and then of course we look further for downside if we were very impulsive towards the downside, of course, and we broke those green box here for the fib levels, of course, and then we look, of course, for a deeper wave 2. So that's it for Bitcoin. I hope that I explained this well. If you want me also to summarize, it's very tricky now to have a trade here, because as I said, we hit some fibs, and we need, of course, one more wave or one more leg towards the upside. But even if we get this one more leg, we might dive deeper directly after it. Okay, for an A, B, and a C flat here as A, B, and a C, right? So possibly if we get, of course, a one more leg, it might dive deeper, or it might dive deeper already from now. Because of course we have finished 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a 5. In that case scenario, you want to seek for a retracement after as well hitting the diagonal targets on the daily chart. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.